We are now here at our mortising station. A couple key features to keep in mind here that most homeowners aren't aware of when they're purchasing a door system is anytime that you have a rough opening size and you're dealing with knockdown door companies, they have specific sizes that only fit that measurement. Now what we do at Polar is, if you can see this center filler here, we use a pine filler. What we do is, if we have a specific frame OSM that we have to meet, we have standard size side lights, standard size doors. Side lights are available in 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20 inches. Door sizes are 29, 30, 32, 34, 36, and all the way up to a 42 inch. But if we run into a problem where we can't meet that existing measurement with anything standard size, we now turn to our center post where we can actually add fillers to make up the space and the distance inside the home. And what we do, as we've shown you before, with the steel reinforcing, we have 4 different sizes of steel that we put in between the center posts so that you're not bottoming out and we're still into the meat of both inside jambs. And just so everyone knows, what this allows us to do is, if your frame size is a little bit too small on the inside of the home, what are most people left with? They're left with redoing the drywall, repainting, a whole lot of work that you're not really privy to when the salesman comes to your home. So with this type of innovation here, we will actually close that gap just by a filler, put a standard size casing on, no drywall, no extra work to be done, and it's all done by the center post. As you can see here, we're mortising the locks out here specifically to size of the frame. This is all done by hand, and the reason it's done by hand is as you shrink door systems or as you increase the height of door systems, if the lock stays stationary, the handle is up here on a short door, you know, it gets low on high doors. So what you want to do is keep the lock sets almost midway through the door to alleviate any bowing issues. So what we do now with this by hand, we do it on the door slabs, we match up the sizing here, so we can manipulate these locks wherever we want on the door frame. You want the door handles in the center of the door system to ensure that the door slabs do not have any bow or deviation, and the actual handles are at waist level. Very easy operator, user friendly.